The smoke pit. What's the first thing you do when you're getting ready to do exhaust work on something? You drive it. Duh. Taking the old ramp truck, the rescue ramp truck, to the house, corporate headquarters. Go to Straightpipe it. Well, it's not really straight. It kind of goes and makes an angle. Well, you get it. That and I look for excuses to drive it. Okay, fellas. This is this is George Stone headquarters right here. This is where we make it happen. Small little garage. Just remember, guys, it's not the size of your garage, it's how you use it. I want to show you what it takes here to work. We'll have to move some stuff out, move some stuff in. Kind of give you an overview. I know I got a couple of friends who have big shops, and they're nice. Don't get me wrong. I'd love to have one. Am I jealous? Yeah, I'd love to have one. That's great, but I don't have one yet. Anytime. So I kind of use the race shops that I work in. I'm in NASCAR, so I use real race shops and the equipment, when I can. But when I can't, or when I don't want to, I want to work from the house a little bit. I just do it in the driveway of my my little garage here. Um, it's not the roomiest, but we get it done. So let me show you what it takes to kind of get to work in here. So this has got to come out. Whew! Oh, that's the way it is going. It's got this little flange on it. It sits out like this. At the firehouse, they have a hose that goes and kind of like sometimes they got magnets on them, or they'll just slip on. So when they fire it up in the firehouse before they take off, it has an exhaust system and it sucks all the exhaust out. Then when it rolls out the door, it rips that off or just pops that off, and they can keep on digging to the fire. Or my help if my wife is cooking noodles or something. Okay. All right, now to the rest of the deal. No, yeah. Just pop that right off. Go ahead and pop that off. Go ahead. Go and pop it off. One more and then this thing's in our face. All right. Muffler. Muffler. Put away. Okay, so here's the muffler I'm pulling out. This thing here. She's well, 44 inches long. Weighs about 50 pounds. So see here. I did some online shopping, and I think I got a direct replacement. Yeah, I think that's it. I think it'll fit perfect. Yeah. Interesting. All right, well, just let's go ahead and throw this puppy dog in. See what this guy's saying. It's gonna be a part because these really are true 90s. Oh. Being difficult. Being difficult. Don't you want me? What kind of music does y'all listen to while you're working on your projects? Put it down in the comments. Remember to like and subscribe. Help me out. Make me a ramp truck influencer or something. I don't know what the hell they are. You want to see different stuff, or you need to tackle different things? Let me know. Put it down in the comments. All right, made it back to where I keep it. You like what you saw today? Please like, hit the old thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. It's down there somewhere. Share it for me if you really like. Tell your friends, tell your enemies. Help me out a little bit, please. I'm trying to make something. I'm trying to get better at the editing thing, so it's maybe a little more exciting. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching this episode of the George Stone channel. I really appreciate it. If you haven't liked or subscribed, please, at the bottom, do that for us. Please, please, I'm begging. You don't realize how much that helps out. All the little small YouTubers out there, we rely on the like and the subscribe button. So if you could do that and help me out, for those who have, thank you very, very much. I really appreciate you watching and tuning in. Let me know at the bottom. Teletype down there what you like, what you don't like. Let me know if there's something else you want to see or you want to do. I'm open. Tell me what you think. I got a lot of stuff coming up here. I got some travel stuff. I'll throw in a little bit of NASCAR stuff. Show you what I do on weekends when I'm at the track and what I do at the shop. Maybe I'm gonna take some adventures in my '69 F100, and I've got a '69 Mustang that's in a storage locker for a few years. Maybe we'll drag that out and show you it's bringing it back to life. Thank you again.